Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher, and I am back with another line dance called Just Like That. It is a two-wall dance. I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction. However, if you want to dance to the music, make sure you watch till the end and click right here, and we can dance together. I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment, give me a thumb up, and share this video. Thank you so very kindly. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Guys, I have an exciting announcement coming up soon, so please stay tuned. So this dance is called Just Like That. It is a two-wall dance. I'm going to give you, it's only two parts. So I'm going to give you the different parts and I come back and put the rotations together. There's 3 rotations. So the first part starts with the chorus. Okay, so whenever you hear the chorus, that's the part that everybody sings. This is the part that you starts with that part, you'll do that part. So it's basically you're walking up and we're going to do diagonal. We're going to do on this side of the wall, we're going to do with the right leg, and we're going to come back and do the same thing on the left, okay? So you're just walking up and kind of doing a step dip. So it's, the name of the dance is Just Like That, but the song is Stand Up. So the chorus, it starts with the chorus. So you're going to start with a step dip on the right. So you go 1, 2, left, 3, 4, 5, right 5, 6, 7, 8, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 is on the left, and then you walk back, 5, 6, 7, and 8, okay, again, and come back here, but I did a diagonal walk, on the right foot, 1, 2, left, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, 1, 2, left, 3, 4, okay? Then I come back on 5, 6, 7, 8, which is right, left, right, left. So on the right is 16 counts, okay? And I come back on the last 4 counts. Now here, what I did on the right, I'm going to repeat on the left. So I step left, 1, 2, right, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8, keep going, left, 1, 2, right, 3, 4, come back on the left, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So if you go up right, you come back right on the right foot. When you go diagonal left, come back on the left foot. So let's put those 2 together. This is part 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, 5, 6, 7, 8, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap on 8. Now, make sure you tap on 8 with the right heel up, okay? Now, you're like, well, how many times did you go up, Linda? I went up, I did a step dip 6 times, then walk back on the right. I went up on the left, step dip 6 times, starting on the left, and walk back on the left 4 times, okay? That was part 1, that's it. So whenever he sings the chorus, when I move, you move, just like that. When I move, you move, just like that. That's what you're going to do. Now the chorus, this is what you're going to do. Part 2, you do a cha-cha. 1 and 2, 3, 4 left, 5 and 6, turn 7, 8. So you do a right cha-cha. And then you do a quarter turn with your right shoulder coming back to your right on 7, 8. So cha-cha up, right, up, left, rock, recover, left, right, left. So this is the chorus, part 2. Then you skate up. Right, left, in, out, in, step, skate. Left, right, in, step. Again, this is still the chorus. I did my cha-cha on the right, did a quarter turn to the right. The chorus, I'm going to finish it up going right, left, in, out, in, step, skate back, left, right, in, out, in, step. Okay, so I skate up right, left, in, out, in, and switch my way to the right. The skate back, left, right, in, out, in, and put my weight on the left. So let's put that together with the cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, back 5 and 6, turn 7, 8. Skate 1, 2 and 3 and 4, back 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. I do it again. And I'm going to do it until I get back to the front. So let's do the cha-cha. My heel is up on the right. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, back 5 and 6, turn 7, 8. Remember, you're going to do a quarter turn to your right with the right shoulder coming back on 7, 8. Then you go right into the skate, up on the right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, back 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Remember, it's all about switching your weight to the right and the left. My right heel is up. I go in with the cha-cha again. Cha-cha up on the right. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, back 5 and 6, turn 7, 8. 7, 8 the 8 is on the left. Of course, we're going to do that skate up. You're looking back at the camera, but you know exactly what to do. Step up on that right and skate. Up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. On 4, your weight goes to the right because we're skating back on the left. Back, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now my weight is on the left. My right heel is up. Your right, we're going back up on that skate. The cha-cha up. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, back 5 and 6, turn 7, 8. We're back at our wall, but we still got to finish part 2, which is, yes ma'am, the skate. Right, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, back 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That's it. So I just gave you part 1 and part 2. That's the dance. Okay, let me give you the rotation. So let's go back before I give you the rotation, because I did tell you it was a 2-wall dance, and we still at the same wall. I'm going to show you how to get there. And there's something called an interlude. So it's not a tag, it's not a bridge, it's an interlude. And all he's doing is saying stand up. And you're going to freestyle for 16 counts, but we're going to get there. Okay? Let's put the dance together. This is the meat of the dance. Part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is the step dip. You do it diagonal on the right and the left. Part 2 is the cha-cha with the skate. All 4 walls on rotation 1 and rotation 2. Okay? So what I'm doing right now, you're going to do it on rotation 1 and rotation 2. What does that mean? So when you get back to this wall here, repeat the same thing you did. Part 1 and part 2. So let's go from the top. Part 1, step dip on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk back. Right, tap left. Tap on that left to go up diagonal left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. I step dip 6 times. Now come back on that left, left, tap right. I'm back to my center. I just finished part 1. Let's go into part 2. Cha-cha with the quarter turn to the right? Then we're going to skate up. Here we go. 1 and 2, up, 3, 4, 5 and 6, turn 7, 8. Skate 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Part 2 is at all 4 walls. So we got to keep doing it at each wall. Do what? The cha-cha with the skate. Don't forget the cha-cha. The cha-cha and then the skate at all walls. 4 walls. 1 and 2 up. 3, 4 left. 5 and 6 turn. 7, 8. Skate 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 back. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Listen up. If people having trouble with this, it's going to be all in switching away to the right and the left, okay? When you skate up right, when you finish, switch your way to the right. Then come skate back on the left. Tap in and out and switch that way to the left, okay? Back to the cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, turn 7, 8. Skate. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 left. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Right. 1 and 2 with the cha-cha and the turn. Finish with the skate. Right foot. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 back. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 8, my right heel is up. So that's my first rotation. My second rotation is going to look the same. What do you mean? We're going back at the top with the step dip. So you're right, diagonal left. And we're going up in with the cha-cha and the skate, and that brings us back to this wall. So that's the first and the second rotation. Okay, let's start the third rotation. Third rotation, he goes back to the chorus. We're going to do our step dip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're right. We would normally do part 2, but there's the interlude. What's the interlude? He's just saying stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. So it's 16 counts, the interlude. So you're going to freestyle for 16 beats. What that looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. That's your interlude. So what we just did at the third rotation, we did part 1, diagonal right, diagonal left, interlude. Freestyle for 16 counts. Okay? Now, he go back in with the verse. You right, here goes the cha-cha. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Guess what happens? We supposed to do all 4 walls, right? No. Guess what? We get to this wall, he drops the verse again. So what we gonna do? Keep on doing no, he drops the chorus. So what we're gonna do is do the verse? No. At this wall here, when we came back off of our skate, he dropped the chorus. But that's the part everybody know we sing. So guess what? We're gonna stop doing part 2, which is the verse, and do the chorus. So we're going back to the top, really. That's what makes it a 2-wall dance. So we at this wall and we going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. 5, 6, 7. Tap 8. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Tap 8. Then we go into the cha-cha, to the verse. Okay, you understand? Just listen to the song. You're going to know exactly what I'm talking about. The first rotation, you do part 1, part 2. The second rotation, you do part 1, part 2. The third rotation, you do part 1. Then you freestyle for 16 counts. Then you pick up part 2, which is the cha-cha. But when you get back to this wall after you're doing your skate on that third rotation, he goes back into the chorus. So we go to part 1, part 1, with the walk up at this wall. We go back to the top. When we come back, we go in with part 2. And you keep on doing part 2 until the dance ends. Okay? That is just like that. And if you don't understand what I'm talking about, look at the demo first and you're gonna understand. You're like, okay, I get it now. The choreographer, the song actually prompts you to do what the artist is singing. Whenever he's singing the chorus, you do this part. Whenever you do the verse, you do that part. So listen to the song and you understand why the dance was put together by the choreographer, which was brilliant, okay? That is just like that. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I hope I didn't confuse you guys. That is the dance. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you right here. Let's dance together.